Chalo. This is Feb March 2016, paper 22, limited company question number 3. Okay. You have to pass double entry to record these transactions. Dates and narratives are not required. What are the transactions? You have issued 200,000 ordinary shares. You have issued it at 0.70 each. What is the face value of the shares? What is the face value of the shares?
0.5.
0.5. And you have issued it at how much?
0.7.
That means a 0.5 ka share is issued at 0.7. Extra amount is for what?
Bonus.
Extra amount is for premium. Okay. Now, what is the amount that will go in the share capital? In the share capital, always face value goes. What goes? Face value. Now you've received money. You have received 0.70. But in the share capital, you can only put the face value. Nothing over and above the face value. The extra 0.20 that you receive, it goes in a special account which is called the share premium account. Am I clear with this?
Yes.
Into 200,000 shares. Zara, am I clear?
Miss, but don't we like find the number of shares first? Like 1,400 divided by 0.5.
They have already given us, right? You have issued 200,000 shares. They want you to give journal entry to record this issue.
Okay.
So it is in 3 zeros less. So this will be 140, 100 and 40. Zara, Afia, Eman, any issue?
No. No.
No, Pakka? Now you're going to pay final dividend on all the shares in its issue at 31st of December 2014. So when you pay dividend, money is going out. Am I clear?
Yes.
And money, where does it go out from?
Bank.
Money is going out, yes. But you pay dividend out of what? You pay
Share
dividend
capital.
from retained earnings. From where do you pay dividend?
Retained earning.
So you will reduce retained earnings. So if I'm reducing retained earnings, I will debit retained earnings. If I'm reducing retained earnings, that means I will debit retained earnings. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the question is, what is the amount of dividend that you paid on how many shares? You have paid dividend on all the shares at 31st December 2014. That means you paid dividend only on these shares. right? So first find out the number of shares. How do I find the number of shares, Zara? How will I find the number of shares? Capital divided by face value.
Face value.
करो कितना है? $2,800 number of shares. इसमें डिविडेंड कितना दे रही हूँ? 0.04 per share. So I'm giving 112 as dividend. Money will go out and it will go out of retained earnings. You should check whether retained earnings has that much of balance or no. It does have. Are you all with me?
Yes, sir.
Aman, are you with me?
Yep.
Now made a bonus issue. So when you make a bonus issue, what is credited?
Bonus issue.
Capital. Capital आएगा ना, shares आएंगे ना अंदर, right? When I do a bonus issue, what is going to come? Capital. So share capital will be credited. But will any money come in? कोई भी पैसा अंदर आएगा क्या? Will any money come in? Will bank be debited?
Yes.
Okay, bonus issue means what? Bonus issue means what?
That goes out from share premium, no?
Yes. What is the meaning of bonus issue? Creating capital, giving shares free of cost to existing shareholders from reserves. What is the meaning of bonus issue, Zara?
Giving shares from share premium.
You're giving shares free of cost to the
Free of
shareholders.
cost.
Okay? Capital is created and reserves is reduced. So you will give bonus out of where? Share premium.
Share premium.
First, you will use share premium. So when you do a bonus issue, capital will get created, but no money is coming in. Instead, I am using my existing reserves. Am I very clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are giving bonus issue for what? How you are giving? 2 ordinary shares. 2 ordinary shares for every 15 held at that date. क्या दिया हुआ है? For every 15 held at that date. तो उस दिन पे तो I first have my existing shares, that is 2,800. Yes or no? I just found out this was the existing shares. Share capital upon face value 2,800. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes or no, Zara?
Yes.
And plus you have issued one more 200 shares over here. 200,000. We are avoiding 3 zeros. Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah? Existing shares plus the shares that you've issued. These are the two shares that are held with you. Yes? Zara, yes or no? I'm waiting.
Yes, miss.
So total 3,000 shares are held with you. So what will be the bonus issue? How many shares?
Miss, how are there 3,000?
कब से कि I'm asking yes, yes, yes. What are your existing shares?
1,400 or 2,800.
2,800. And what are your
Yeah.
new shares that you issued?
200,000.
3 zeros I'm removing because 3 zeros is there.
Okay.
So what is the number of shares for your bonus issue?
3,000.
Into 2
Yeah.
divided by
Divide
15.
by 15.
So
So
what
what
is
is
your
2 divided by
bonus?
15?
400
400.
shares. Into face value how much?
0.5.
0.50.
200.
So bonus issue will be for 200. 200 you will reduce from share premium and you will add to share capital. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Everyone done?
Yes.
Now I have to prepare a schedule showing movement in share premium account during the year. The share premium account. Come on. What was my balance of share premium?
260.
Balance at start. Balance at 31st of December 2014 or I can say 1st Jan. How much was it? 260. Then you've issued shared at premium. So money is coming in your share premium. Issue of shares. I am only making share premium column. Statement of changes in equity ka. Then you did bonus issue. Bonus issue at May 1. So this is going to reduce the share premium. Are you all with me? Are you all with me?
Yes.
अब उसने एक और चीज किया है यहाँ पे. Read and try and figure it out. I'm doing, you all also do simultaneously.
So how do you got that balance at start? Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Then issue of shares. Premium is increasing. Then bonus share. Premium is decreasing. Now you're making a right issue. Do it yourself. What is the total number of shares that is held with you? Bonus, how many shares you issued? First you had 2,800. Then you did a fresh issue of 200. 3,000 shares. Bonus, how many shares we did? And then you did bonus shares, bonus issue of 400 shares. So total shares held was 3,400. So we are doing right issue, 1 share for every 10 held. So total shares that were held was 3,400. So how many shares will you give as right shares? 340. 340 shares you will issue as right issue. This multiplied by the face value, that is 0.50, will give you capital.
Miss,
And
why
this,
not 0.6?
you did a right issue at 0.60, but the face value of your share would remain constant, right? 0.50 is the face value of the shares.
Okay.
So this multiplied by the face value would give you share capital, and this multiplied by the extra amount, 0.10, would give you premium on issue of shares. So you did a right issue at August 1 and you received premium. How much? 340 shares into 0.10. You
34.
receive premium of 34. So this is your balance at 31 December 2015 at last. 134.
Okay, Miss.